With 4.4 million subscribers, it is the largest health insurance provider in Michigan. But how Blue Cross Blue Shield does business could soon change. During a press conference that aired on his website, Governor Rick Snyder announced a plan to make BCBS a non-profit mutual insurance company that would be regulated by the Michigan Insurance Code, just like other health insurance in the state.
This is an excellent opportunity to say we should update. We should move to the 21st century with our rules and regulations to keep up with that.
That means it would pay about $100 million a year in taxes to state and local governments. The change would also require the insurance giant to pay $1.5 billion over 18 years to a new nonprofit. The agency would focus on promoting healthy living. Snyder says the reforms are tied to upcoming federal health care changes, and the effects could lower costs for individuals.
If you're a small business or an individual, in some ways you're paying high rates to somewhat subsidize other people or other products. And this would create a better marketplace for people that are in those situations to get insurance, hopefully at a lower cost.
I'm Smitha Kaloki for 7 Action News.